What's up, everyone? Today we have this, the Aukey 1080p webcam. There's a link to it for Amazon in the description below. It's time to unbox it. Let's see what we get. I think it's going to be quite basic, just the webcam. Not going to be filled with goodies in the box like some other products are. Come with a bunch of other stuff that aren't even related to the product. Right. So there's... Alright. Oh yeah, I got these. I got one of these before. Kind of like a key. Actually, the sticker is a key. It's actually a sticker. So you peel that off, it's a key. But anyway, that's not really the subject of this video. It is the webcam. Ooh, look at that. Alright. That looks alright. It's got stereo mic, I believe, as openings on both sides of these grills are actually openings. It's not just like design. Some of them have just a design and you know, sort of fake, some of them. This one seems to be the real deal. Let's see. Some kind of film here. You are supposed to remove it because there's a grippy surface here. Because there is, after all, a tripod mount which I can put on my tripod and record stuff with. So it's got a pretty standard USB connector. Nothing special about it. Cable is not that long, maybe 6 feet or something, 5. Yeah, maybe 6 feet, I'd say. This just opens up and clips onto your PC, and there's more of that weird film down here. You gotta peel off. Great. Here it is, mainly so it will stick to the back of your computer nicely. Well, not really stick to it, but I mean, you know what I mean. There's even some here. You wouldn't be able to tell that unless you're quite observant enough. Already got part of it off. I know I spent 3 minutes talking about the film that they put on the back of it. But yeah, now it is time to actually hook it up to my PC and see its video quality. Filming a couple things on my desk or something. Taking pictures of my setup, you know, that kind of stuff. Okay, one more thing worth noting is that this will swivel. Just the top of it. So that means I can hold the webcam in place and swivel it. So that means if I want it to point over a little to the left or a little to the right, I can make it do that. Yeah, pretty nice. Alright, testing video quality of this thing. Check the mic actually before I do that. Let's see. Recording. Right, it is set as the default device for this. Later I'm going to do a sound comparison between my headphones mic. Hang on. Sound comparison between the inline mic on my headphones. My Blue Yeti mic. It's a pretty much like professional style looking mic, USB connected. And this mic, where, well, I'm not facing it right now, so it might not have the best sound quality. So later it's just going to be that. Here's a little test where I filmed this. Just the stuff around my setup. The colors are a bit dull, if I'm honest. If you look closely, the colors look quite dull. And whenever I seem to show something bright, such as these monitors, it only kind of dims. It like it like makes this part at my desk, the speaker, take a look at that, for example, quite dim. And if I pan downward, it increased the brightness over the speakers. Yeah. And then sometimes it gives too much brightness, like right now. Almost looks white when the glow actually of my, see, the glow from the lights are actually kind of yellowish. It looks white. So this obviously isn't the best video camera out there. The Logitech Brio that I unboxed a few weeks ago. Actually, not a few weeks, a few months ago, really. Maybe 2 months, I'd say. It's actually the better option, although it costs right now $200. This one costs $50, a little over 50. So yeah, it shows a little bit that if you pay more, it's a better product. The colors on the other one just look so much better. So that's kind of it. Sorry for the shaky camera, really. I'm only holding it with my hands. Yeah, that's it for the video test. Time to go to the audio test. First, I'm going to do my headphones audio test. Next, I'll do this audio test, then the Blue Yeti microphone. So yeah, let's do that. Alright, testing for the built-in microphone on my headphones. These are actually a pair of Sony earbuds. Just a quick test for the webcam review video. Testing. Alright, done testing. Alright, testing for the webcam built-in microphone. I believe it's a stereo. This is also a test for the webcam review video, unboxing, whatever it's called. This is a test of the Blue Yeti stereo microphone, I think. Is it stereo? I think so. This is the blackout edition one, so it has black color, not compared to the silver one that a lot of other people have. Yeah, now I am going to give my review on which one sounds the best. This will all continue to be audio. Probably going to record on this mic as I have it set as the default. Whether it sounds the best or not, I'm going to listen through all three of them, and yeah, I'll tell you what I think later. Oh yeah, I'm going to review the audio on my Sony earbuds. They are pretty good. They sound good, so yeah, I guess that's what I'll do. Okay, for audio, my take is that the Blue Yeti microphone obviously sounds the best. I paid, I don't know, $120 for this microphone. It's very good, but let's say you want a compact setup, then you'd probably want to go with your microphone. But you of course would not want to use your speakers for talking, on a conference or chat with your friends or whatever, online chat. Because it would pick up, what's it called? Interference or feedback. And it'll just echo and just won't sound that good in the chat. So I would actually use headphones. And if your computer does have a mic port and your headphone has an inline mic, that's great. Because what I think is, from 1 to 3, 1 is the best, 3 is the worst audio quality, is 1, of course, the Blue Yeti microphone. 2 is actually the inline mic on my headphones. That actually sounds pretty good as well. It's processed by, I believe, a Realtek chip inside my computer, or whatever sound processing chip there is that's on board. And then third, last, is the microphone. It sounds very, I don't know if you can describe sound like this, raspy. It has a lot of static, should I say. And lots of distortion, that's the right word, distortion. It doesn't sound all that good. I know it's a built-in microphone on a $50 webcam, but I expected it to sound a little better. I paid like $60, $70, or even less, maybe even, I don't know how much I paid for my Logitech C920 webcam I had a couple years back. The mic on that one was actually pretty good, and I paid roughly $50, let's just say. So that's kind of my review on this webcam. The video is average. It's okay. I'd compare it to I don't know. I've owned a few of these old cameras before, probably older than I am, from the mid-90s, early 2000s, or just as old as I am. I don't know. Those cameras have similar video quality as this webcam here, and this webcam, whenever it was released, it seemed pretty recent. I'm not sure if it just surfaced on Amazon's search engine, the internal search engine, as webcams are in high demand as of the time of recording. So I don't know if it just surfaced as a popular item, but yeah, I forgot when it started selling, but it should at least have decent video quality up to standards for this year or something, or even the past few years had okay webcam quality. But yeah, it's okay if you're just, I don't know, online chatting, video calls. If you really need it, this is a good one. But if you want good video quality, I'd probably go with the Logitech Brio 4K webcam. Well, if you can afford it. I like that webcam a lot, actually. It's good quality, but pretty hefty price. Big price tag, you know? But yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.